Hello YouTube, Chris the Frugal Audiophile, back with you for another unboxing. And what this is an Emotiva Audio XSP1 Phono preamp. And if we can find the right place to, there we go. I got this during their Texas Roundup sale, and so curious to see how it sounds. I purchased this for $104 shipped. Looks like we have power cord here, of course. Pretty small. I don't like how it sticks out like that. I wish it was like that to, you know, with the plugs over here, but, you know, what are you going to do? No, moisture pack. Be careful of that. I do have a cat. And here is the Phono preamp, XSP1. I believe this is the second version of it. I think they're supposed to be introducing a third, but it's not out yet. And this used to be $200, so I feel like I got a pretty good deal on it. We'll see if I like it more than the one built into my Fluence RT81. It has a pretty good, man, I'm destroying that. It has a pretty good preamp in it, but it's like a fairly inexpensive Texas Instruments one. This thing's heavy. I like it. It's not the prettiest looking thing. You know, it's very black and has tons of writing. Here you have your switches for moving magnet, moving coil. Here you have dip switches. If you're using the moving coil, you have to set the impedance. That's why they have that there. This isn't really something you would probably put out front to display and brag to your friends about it, but I hear it's a good device. That's that. It's definitely metal, so that's good. Anything else in here? It's a bunch of, nope, just the padding, which at least it's not that really cheap foam. So that's the XSP1 from Emotiva. I will be doing a review of this device once I spend some time with it. So please subscribe for that. Also like this video if you enjoyed it. You can also check out Patreon and buy me a cup of coffee over there. If you really like my content, I'd greatly appreciate it. And remember, frugal doesn't necessarily mean cheap.